This is MC-10 from Otis. For elite shooters, the protection and performance of firearms isn't optional, it's critical. That's who this advanced formula was engineered for. In just a few steps, it provides unrelenting protection from -65 all the way up to 650 degrees. Before you start, make sure your gun is unloaded and all oils and solvents are removed using your go-to cleaner. Spray the MC-10 lubricant into the inner workings of your firearm to leave a thin layer. You'll see MC-10 isn't like other formulas as a mix of aerospace industry lubricants. It is much thinner, which allows it to provide protection deep into the metals of your gun. Work your firearm to help the lubricant penetrate hard-to-reach places. You might feel some friction the first few times you shoot, as MC-10 pushes debris from deep within your gun's metal. But once it works in, the industry's most advanced protection has your back. MC-10 lubricant should only be used with MC-10 cleaner. When needed, use this included formula to remove built-up carbon, fouling, and debris. Then reapply the lubricant. The process only takes a few minutes, but the results? Those go on for decades. MC-10, only from Otis.